Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we break down the market's hottest movers. I'm Mitchell, and today we're zeroing in on Top Wealth Group Holding Ltd, ticker TWG on NASDAQ. If you're into high volatility small caps, buckle up. This Hong Kong based luxury food and beverage supplier just ignited investor frenzy. Shares closed at $6.01 today, December 8th, but exploded over 100% after hours trading at $12.39. That's a rocket ride from its first 52-week low of $4.25. The catalyst? TWG announced it expects at least $4 million in fiscal 2025 profits, a stunning turnaround from last year's $2 million loss. With revenue at $2.08 million and net margin soaring to 57.8%, this signals strong cost controls and demand rebound in premium goods. But watch for turbulence. Market whispers point to financial shifts amid global supply chain jitters. At a $4.5 million market cap, TWG is primed for growth or swings. What do you think? Buy the dip or ride the wave? Drop your take below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more daily stock spotlights. Hit the bell. Next up, tomorrow's must watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the markets. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.